Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in African Bank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID. Ensure you are connected to the internet by Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Open the African Bank app. Tap the African Bank app icon on your home screen. Then you will be taken to the login or welcome screen. Step 3. Enter your login details. On the login screen, enter your username or ID number. Then type in your password or PIN. You may be asked to enable Face ID or Touch ID for quicker and safer future logins. Step 4. Complete security verification. For security, African Bank requires you to confirm with Face ID, enter a one-time PIN, OTP sent to your phone, or approve the login in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Step 5. Access your account. Once verified, you will be logged into your African Bank dashboard where you can check balance, make payments, transfer money, or manage accounts and cards. Step 6. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password on the login screen and follow the steps to reset it securely. And that's how you can log in into African Bank using an iPhone. For your safety, always log out when using a shared device. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.